Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope you all is well. Today we are going to discuss how to speak English well. Many friends told me that like social media platform Facebook, Instagram and Twitter people told me how to speak English well. So today we are going to discuss about the how to speak English well. So if you really want to speak well, you need four stages. With the help of you can easily speak fluently English. We all know all over the world English is spoken all over the world. If you know English, you can travel all over the world anywhere. So today we are going to discuss about the importance of English with the help of these skills like four stages. First is reading, listening, practice, writing. With the help of these stages, we can easily speak English properly. So first we discuss reading. Reading is important skills. If you read like English newspaper, there are many types of newspapers like The Hindu, Indian Express, Times of India. There are many types of English newspaper. You read first, you need to read like a simple paragraph in English and translate them to an English language. So there are many types of material that we read in English. Or second is listening. Listening is also an important skill. We all know our mother tongue, we easily learn from our surroundings. If our surroundings, our environment is English, so we can easily speak and learn in English language. So if we really want to speak in English, so we need make easily environment in English. So after that our like our friend circle and others, all people only speak English, so we can automatically English speaking properly. So there are listening is also main important skill. There are many types of social media platforms like youtube also provide like podcast and other things that we listen and carefully, and after that you easily speak properly. Third is writing. Like you can first you need to read something in newspapers and articles and story. After that you need to write them in your diary and your register and others. First you need to proper write. An holiday, you go for traveling. So first you see all your surroundings and write them in your diary. So this is the best way for improving English. We all know everyone can mistake. Without mistake, we cannot learn anything. We all know mistake. We all know everyone can mistake, or after then mistake, we can easily learn anything. Fourth stage is practice. We all know without practice we cannot learn anything in this world. If you really want to speak properly, you need practice. It doesn't worry, you make mistake, it doesn't worry because we all know practice. Like you need, there are many types of social media platforms like Facebook, social media, Instagram, and others. You make English friends and chat with English and call with in English, only speak English. So there are many types of methods. With the help of we can easily speak properly. So there are today already we all discuss about these stages like reading, listening, practice, writing. So there are four stages. So we all know English is very important. So today we are going to discuss these important